Rocco, jump.
Yeah, I can't do it.
You can't do it?
Yeah.
Hold Grandpa's hand and then jump. He wants to jump down this way.
Where are you going, that way? He doesn't want to touch my hand, it's all gooey. Grab my hand. Here, grab my hand, it's clean now. Here. Woo. Ready? Boom!
All right.
I can't do it.